So, I am trying this out for the first time, so you will have to bear with me. There we go. So, we are going to work with solving linear equations in two variables. My Labounty group has already done this lesson once before, not the same exact one, but I did a mini lesson on it. Hamel group, this may be new to you, but we're going to first begin by looking at lesson 12. So, Emily tells you that she scored 32 points in a basketball game with only 2 and 3-point baskets, no free throws. How many of each type of basket did she score? Use the table below to organize your work. Now, in this problem, I want you to think, what is one variable we are dealing with? Well, one variable we are dealing with is the 2-point baskets. I'm using a mouse, so you'll have to bear with me. This is pretty hard to use. The other variable we are working with are the 3-point baskets. I'm just going to write 3-point B. You'll know what I mean. Now, when you shoot a 2-point basket once, you have a total of 2 points. If you shoot a 3-point basket, just one 3-point basket, then you have a total of 3 points. We have to figure out between these two baskets, how did she come up with her 32 points in a basketball game? Well, the very first one we can look at is the 2-point baskets. So if I have I'm going to recreate this chart. You should be writing this in your notebooks. So here's my chart. Ooh, that is so sloppy. And then I have the 2 points over here and the 3 points over here. So if she shot a 2-point basket, just one, that's a total of 2 points. But we still need to figure out how many 3-point baskets she made to get to the 32 points. Well, in my mind, I'm going, okay, 32 points take away 2, that's 30. And if I have 3-point baskets, how many of those 3-pointers would I need to add up to 30? And that would be 10. So, there's my number. I have 10 3-point baskets and 2 2-point baskets. No, that is not right. I had to pause the video there for a minute because I made one little mistake and I realized what I did wrong. It was right here. This column represents the number of 2-point baskets. It's not the total score. So I said that she only made one 2-point basket. So I would have to write the number 1 here. This represents 10 3-point baskets. If it helps you, you can write in parentheses that this is 2 points. And then in parentheses here, this is a total of 30, And then if you add those together, they should equal 32. Well, what happens if she made, I should use a different color, but that's okay. What happens if she made 2 2-point baskets? That means she would have made a total of 4 points because 2 times 2 is 4. So somehow here in this parentheses, I would go 32 points, take away 4 points, 31, 30, 29, 28. That doesn't work either. Okay, so I made some mistakes. I don't know if it's because I'm recording and I'm a little nervous making this recording, but I'm not going to scrap it. I'm going to keep it because that's me. I think you guys know me by now. So this is what we should have. We should have, and let me hide this so you can see it. The left-hand column represents the number of 2-point baskets. So here we have 4 2-point baskets. So that would mean that would be a total of 8 points. And my mouse is really not cooperating with me, so let's try this again. 8, now it's going too fast. Oh well, that's an 8. So that would mean I would need to go 32, take away 8, 130, 29, 28, 7, 6, 12, 24 points. I would need 24 points here. So what number times 3 would give me 24? And I'm hoping you said 8. So here she made 4 2-point baskets and she made 8 3-point baskets. I'm going to go ahead and let you finish this chart out just the way I did it. And then I want you to try, it says let X be the number of 2-pointers and Y be the number of 3-pointers that Emily scored. Write an equation to represent the situation. Think about what you had to do in this table. If here you know the number of baskets, but if you didn't know the number of baskets and for the 2-pointers and the 3-pointers, they had to equal 32. So go ahead, try this out. I'm going to pause the video. Once you've completed this segment, I'll have you move on to the next segment.